Well, it's all about the small things today. Hey, we got little David Suzuki out with our AGT mini excavator. And I'm contemplating tearing down old number 8 over there. So why don't you guys tell me, should we use our mini excavator to tear down this old grain shack? Okay. What does the consensus say? Okay. If you'd like to see that, like and subscribe, and we'll make it happen, folks. Because I think I'd like to see it. Okay. Let's say, I don't know, I'm not going to shoot for the stars today because I already disappointed myself once, but how about 5 subscribers, 5 new subscribers and 20 likes, and I will use the mini excavator to tear down that grain shed. Let's get on it, folks.